research indicates that we need to address all essential aspects of road safety, not just one or two, by unifying training, monitoring, auditing, ranking, involving everyone, and leaving no one behind. Ignoring and undervaluing important things becomes critical need of survival, and we have to give them extra value and add their value to our lives. And road safety is indeed a critical need of survival, just like oxygen. Remember that we make our tomorrow today, no one can make our tomorrow, and if we don't make our tomorrow today, it will be the same as yesterday, or even worse, never better. We look for a new and better tomorrow, not based on our efforts, but based on our hopes, because we all think that our tomorrow will be better due to someone's efforts or miracle, which is an illusion. We are all under the illusion that we are experienced road users and others are inexperienced, and because of this illusion, around 500 road users die from road traffic injuries every day in India, which can be avoided. Many road users with excelled careers in the outer world, including doctors, engineers, IT professionals, artists, and road safety teachers, die in road crashes because they have not learned mind management. If all the students pass in all the subjects except maths, then who will be responsible for this failure? Maths teacher will be responsible. Maths subject and road safety subject need regular practice. Knowledge acquisition and knowledge application are fundamental, but knowledge retention is the key to maintaining cognitive abilities and managing the mind and cognitive situations intelligently rather than accidentally. Whatever is happening in the outside world around us during our lifetime can happen to us at any time, and we have to take immediate preventative action, otherwise it will become critical need. When the problem has become a critical need at the global level, then we should come out of our sleeping consciousness and learn the inner world mastery in road safety immediately. If we still remain in our sleeping consciousness, the problem will turn into a reflex action, and if it becomes a reflex action, then even God cannot change the reflex action. India is considered the land of inner world wisdom, and Mother India Care is the global leader in providing inner world knowledge in road safety sustainability to the world. Become part of the Vision 100 revolutionary project that addresses all essential aspects of road safety for a sustainable safe road travel for all in India by 2030 and globally by 2035 or even sooner. Doing your best is not the best, it is finding the best and doing your best. Practice does not make perfect, but perfect practice makes perfect. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Click on the link provided in the description box below and accept the Global Validation Challenge and learn inner world mastery in road safety sustainability. Jai Hind.